afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you all? Are you all
Ma'am,
fine?
fine.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
good. कोई बारिश में भीगा नहीं ना?
मैम मैम क्यों
Very
पर
good.
नहीं मैम मैं आउट ऑफ टाउन थी इसीलिए मुझे पता नहीं कि बॉम्बे में बारिश
अरे
हुई।
वाह, very good. Okay, वैसे भी it is not safe to get wet in the rain now because COVID is still there and this is actually a challenging and changing climate. तो अगर इसमें हम लोगों ने कुछ भी मस्ती किया तो हमारी हेल्थ पे असर जरूर होगा, राइट? एंड फॉर योर यू किड्स इट इज वेरी मच एसेंशियल टू बी सेफ, टू बी हेल्दी. यस, वेरी गुड ऑल माय किड्स. यस, सो अबाउट आवर टुडेज टॉपिक, किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है ना आज के टॉपिक के बारे में?
मैम आई एम डूइंग द एक्टिंग ऑफ दैट तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा in that she done the acting of fancy dress in Aina Mirror that one. Ma'am, do we have to wear a specific dress on that Shiro?
No, bacha. I told you I just need the name of that lady of which you are enacting. I gave you
Okay.
the example also. There is a small girl of 8 years age. Her name is Greta Thunberg. She has done a change, a protest for the climatic condition. Okay? So I told you all to act as heroes or as superheroes, right? Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, we have to give a speech and just. Ma'am.
Akshita, today you are unclear in your Akshita. Akshita, wait. The other girl, please wait. Named Pooja, please wait. Akshita, today you are unclear in your speech, bacha.
What?
Pooja Tawani, please wait. Kindly be on mute.
Ma'am, can you resend the video?
Which video?
You tell no that 8-year-old girl has done the acting.
मैंने कोई वीडियो नहीं भेजा है बच्चा. ग्रेटा थनबर्ग एक लड़की है जो 8 साल की बच्ची है. उसने क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन के ऊपर प्रोटेस्ट किया था. ओके, सो one example I gave you of heroes. Heroes is nothing but female heroes. Okay, globally,
But
globally, globally it is. Okay, globally.
ma'am, so we only have to give a speech and just act. We don't have to
You have to
research
act.
and all. We only have to act.
Yes,
not
you have to
ma'am.
say. Wait. You have to act and you have to say about her. Okay.
Teacher. So means we have to also give a speech about
Yes,
her.
definitely. Hence, I would come to know ना that आप यहाँ आपने ये चीज देखा है. I would come to know. How would I come to know?
Okay.
Yes.
I will act and also tell the speeches.
Yes.
So first, do we have to do the act and then we have to. Ma'am, can
Yes.
I act that movies, heroes? Ma'am. Ma'am, my mom is.
How many people are on mute? How should I answer you all? I need Pooja Tawani. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, we can act on movies, heroes also.
No, only superheroes or sheroes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Durva, what is your problem?
like Spider-Man
Divya, the one in the name of Divya. हम लोग के पास एक तरीका है बात करने का बेटा. वी डू रेज आवर हैंड्स. यस दुर्वा.
I'm telling you, I am not acting
Why?
because I not practice it.
डोंट वरी, जितना भी आता है वो करो. सुपर हीरो तो देखते रहोगे ना.
हाँ.
स्पाइडरमैन, सुपरमैन, बैटमैन और पता नहीं कितने सारे होते हैं आप लोग बच्चे लोगों के सुपर हीरोज. राइट. Yes, you can act on that. Harry Potter. Then
Ma'am, we can also act on real
अक्षिता, एक
superheroes.
बार में सब डाउट पूछो. एक बार में सब डाउट पूछो.
Ma'am, we can also act we can also act and give the speech on real heroes, right?
हाँ, अरे I told real heroes only, not duplicate heroes.
Ma'am, can I become Rani Padmavati?
She is not a hero. She is an, I can say, historical actor, right? तो मैंने historical में I didn't went to historical. You have a lot of many in historical. Harshit Biyani, what is your doubt?
Ma'am.
Harshit Biyani.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
We got Avenger hero also.
हाँ, yes, yes.
And the second doubt is yes. What is heroes?
Heroes are the female heroes. Okay? Globally. ग्लोबली. कुछ छोटी बच्चियां हैं, कुछ लेडीज हैं, कुछ बड़ी बूढ़ी औरतें हैं जिन्होंने ग्लोबली कुछ ऐसा काम किया है दैट दे हैव बीन रिवॉर्डेड फॉर दैट. जिन्होंने ग्लोबली कुछ ऐसा काम किया है दैट दे हैव बीन रिवॉर्डेड फॉर दैट. काइंडली बी ऑन म्यूट बिकॉज माय वॉइस इज इकोइंग. Yes. So I can take an example. It is globally, but India में से there is Sri Devi. Everyone knows the actress Sri Devi. She has been rewarded as hero. This is a global award. Okay, and as kids there are many which have been awarded globally. लता, रोज चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोलू क्या? बी ऑन म्यूट बच्चा. Okay, there are many kids who have been also awarded globally for their work, for their talent. Neeta Sabu,
Ma'am, can
are you Ria?
Hello, ma'am.
I am not going to answer. I am not going to answer any question without I see a raise hand. Neeta Sabu. Neeta Sabu.
Yes, ma'am. क्या मैम?
निधि नवाल, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या रेज हैंड करने को बच्चा? क्यों बीच बीच में ये करते हो, बोल देते हो? मुझे दूसरे का आवाज नहीं आता. नीता साबू.
यस मैम. मेरे मोबाइल रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन नहीं मिल रहा है.
चैट बॉक्स में लिखो. नीता साबू प्लीज से. आप रिया हो क्या बच्चा?
यस मैम, आई एम रिया.
हाँ, बोलो.
मैम, आई वाज टेलिंग दैट can I become Kalpana Chawla?
Yes, she is a hero.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, yes. चिल्लर बडीज. कौन है ये? पलाश हो ना आप?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I cannot act because I have taken injection of polio.
Okay. तो आप बोल तो सकते हो ना?
ओके मैम।
हाँ। हर्षित ज्ञानी, फिर से कोई डाउट है?
नहीं, मैं म्यूट करने जा रहा था गलती से, ये रेजन चला गया।
ओके। उर्मिला जाकोटिया।
पर टीचर आपका वीडियो ऑफ हुआ हुआ भी नहीं दिख रहा, आपका वीडियो ऑन हुआ हुआ भी नहीं दिख रहा।
काइंडली अनपिन मी एंड देन पिन मी। उर्मिला जाकोटिया।
हाँ, अभी दिख रहा है।
Urmila Jacotia, are you here? Nidhi Nawal, now say what is your doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम, मैं अहिल्याबाई बन सकती हूँ क्या?
कौन?
अहिल्याबाई।
No. Ahilyabai is not a shiro.
ओके मैम।
हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारी फीमेल्स है। कभी कोई स्पेसशिप का काम किया किसने, कभी कुछ एनी पॉलिटिकल थिंग का काम किया। बहुत ऐसी फीमेल्स हैं। कुछ बच्चे भी हैं जिन्होंने किया है एंड दे हैव बीन अवॉर्डेड। एंड यू ऑल सी यूट्यूब, राइट? ये यूट्यूब में बहुत अच्छे से अवेलेबल है। ये ब्रह्मिनी जाजू, क्या हुआ?
मैम, पर हमें एक्ट कैसे करना है शीरो का?
Any of their famous dialogue. You have to say about them what they have done, right? Then any of their famous dialogue. Everyone, every superhero, every hero is having one or the other dialogue, and which is very much popular on the web. Which is very much popular on the web. Yes.
Ma'am, so we have to just say the dialogue.
You have to say in the tone. Say in a specific tone.
Okay, ma'am.
कौन है? पूनम के नाम से कौन है बच्चा? हाँ, पूनम झवर। Your voice is unclear. Voice is unclear. Kindly chat box में लिखो ना। Voice पूरा टूट के आ रहा है। आरती बजाज।
Ma'am, can I do the role of Abdul Kalam?
No. हाँ, you can do the role of Abdul Kalam. But he is not coming in the Shiro, he is coming in hero. You can't do the role. I'm sorry. You can't do the role of Abdul Kalam. He doesn't comes in Shiros. Huh? Shiro is female representative of hero. Kalpana Chawla hai. Then you have many, youngsters which are footballers. Then wo badminton, boxers. Many young artists are there. Movies भी आई है इनके ऊपर. Boxers, वो मैरी कॉम है. Then one more, I forgot her name. एक मूवी दंगल थी उसके ऊपर. हाँ, साइना नेहवाल also. Then Mirza. Some Mirza is also there. There are many females who have achieved awards. There are many females. Divya. The boy in the name of Divya. कौन हो आप बच्चा?
Can we start the... Yes, ma'am.
अर्षित म्यूट हो जाओ आप. पविका गेट म्यूट. दिव्या के नाम से कौन है? स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा.
I am Devansh.
Devansh, why are you interrupting in between? You could have raised hand, right?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, say what is your doubt?
Kita Babita.
Huh?
Kita Babita.
What is Geeta, Babita?
Dangal movie.
हाँ, दंगल मूवी, लेकिन वो लड़कियों का नाम कुछ अलग है बेटा.
No, ma'am, it is Geeta only.
You can act like them also. I don't have any problem. Pavika, any doubt? We are going to start in next 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
रेज हैंड करके रखो जिन्होंने रेडी किया हुआ है. रेज हैंड करके रखो. पविका,
Yes,
any doubt?
ma'am. Yes.
मैम हम हीरोज का भी कर सकते हैं ना?
नॉट हीरो यार. मैंने कल ही क्लियर किया था यार. हर्षित कहाँ थे आप? कितनी बार बोलो पूछोगे?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
नॉट हीरो.
Heroes only.
और योर सुपर हीरोज.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Everyone to be on mute now. Enough
ma'am,
of
we
your
can
doubts are
act
cleared.
like a sultan.
Anshika
Sultan.
Mantri, are you ready, Anshika Mantri?
Yes, ma'am. Me and my brother, we both are ready. So let me start with my brother.
Ma'am, I joined now only.
एक मिनट हाँ, एक मिनट. Everyone to be on mute. You join now. It is okay. You have to be on mute. There is nothing कि आपने join किया तो आपको unmute हो जाना है. Right? You have to be on mute.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Anshika? Anant and Anshika?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
हाँ, and everyone बच्चा लोग आप लोगों का कैमरा ऑन होना चाहिए. No, Pavika, you can't act like Sultan. कोई भी मूवी कैरेक्टर नहीं बोला है मैंने.
Ma'am, now we are starting.
Yes, बच्चा.
Spare his life. Spare his life now. Spare his life. Then I will give you the stone.
But why would you do that?
Because we are in the end game now.
Ma'am, this was Anand's dialogue. Now my dialogue. You took my everything.
But I don't even you.
We'll know soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, here I was Scarlet Witch and Anand was Doctor Strange.
Very good, very good, very good. Very nicely done. Very good. See, all of you have seen उन लोगों ने कैसा एक्ट किया. हर्षित बियानी, are you ready?
बट टीचर मैं ऐसे एक्ट नहीं करूंगा, बस उसके बारे में बोलूंगा, पर 1 सेकंड रुको.
थोड़ा तो एक्टिंग करके दिखा दो. आप कितना बोलते हो, एक्टिंग तो कर ही सकते हो. सब बच्चे मेरे एक्टिंग कर सकते हैं. मेरा एक भी बच्चा ऐसा नहीं है जो एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकता. ओके?
मैं एक्टिंग कर सकता हूँ, पर मेरे को मैंने वो सीखा नहीं है.
कोई बात नहीं, जितना आता है उतना तो बोलो.
didn't learn the lines.
ओके.
अरे you can see and see the line. Just act in that way.
Ma'am, I am ready.
Kashvi, wait. Yes, Harshit, start. भाग गया क्या हर्षित? कहाँ गए आप? कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा बैकग्राउंड में. हर्षित. ओके. काशवी मनुदने.
Yes.
एक मिनट. ओके, चिपी क्या? वेट वेट. हर्षित के वेट. Yes, Harshit.
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Harshad Bihani. My character is Captain America. Captain America is captain of Avengers. He has a shield to save him and fight with Thanos and her Forge. Thank you.
Say one of his dialogues when he comes to rescue. I have a specific tone, Captain America, like that. Some tone is there.
What?
Yeah. बच्चा किसके यहाँ रो रहा है? There is some specific tone, na? Captain America, is that to the rescue? Something like that. The tone is there.
Don't. What teacher? I can't see and see you, and I can't hear you.
कैप्टन अमेरिका का कोई टोन पता है?
क्या? कैप्टन
कैसे
अमेरिका
बोलता
क्या?
है कैप्टन अमेरिका?
हाँ.
हाँ, तो वैसे बोल के बताओ, वही स्टाइल में.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, I didn't learn the line.
I don't know how speak Captain America.
ओके, याद करो, एकदम एंड में पूछूंगी आपको.
ठीक है.
ये काशवी मनु तने
Yes, ma'am. Can we access cartoons?
नो सुपर हीरोज एंड शीरोज.
Okay. But I cannot get any sheroes.
There are many Indian females also globally. Outside India, there are females, some small girls also, who have achieved victory in attaining something. Right? One example I gave yesterday, Greta Thunberg. One example I gave yesterday. Now, अभी कोई मुझसे बोला था सानिया नेहवाल, then that Mary Kom. You can act like that also. Okay?
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla. Right? Those are our heroes only. Yes. So, थोड़ा टाइम देती हूँ आपको, याद करो, फिर पूछूंगी. पूनम झवर. पूनम झवर. पूनम झवर.
मैम, मेरा भाई भी आया मेरे साथ करने को. कैसे वियान तवानी वो
पूनम झवर, आर यू सेइंग बच्चा? हाँ, उसके बीच में कोई नहीं बोलेगा, मैं ही लोगों का नाम बुलाऊंगी, आप लोग नहीं. बच्चा बोलो.
मेरा भाई क्या है, वो भी मेरे साथ कर.
हाँ, चलेगा. चलेगा, चलेगा बच्चा, चलेगा. क्या हुआ, आप क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
मैम,
ब्राह्मणी, प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट. मुझे बीच में जो भी दिखेगा ना, मैं उसका रेज हैंड भले ही ऊपर आएगा, मैं नहीं करूंगी. Okay, okay. I think some terribly network is having issues at your place. आपका वीडियो जरा भी नहीं दिख रहा है, ऑडियो भी नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है मुझे. दिव्या मुंद्रा,
Yes,
दिव्या
ma'am.
मुंद्रा.
वहाँ पे दिखाना पड़ेगा, चलो.
हाँ कर यहीं पे खड़े रहिएगा.
टीचर मुझे याद आ गया.
दिव्या, देवांश से समथिंग.
हेलो, मैं हूँ स्क्वाड में. मैंने आपको बचाने के लिए हर तरफ बाहर जाल लगा के रखा है. Stay home, no go out. Thank you.
Very good, my small little Spider-Man. Very good.
मुझे भी याद आ गया.
हर्षित,
मेरी आवाज
wait.
आई थी क्या?
हाँ, आपकी आवाज आई बराबर. हर्षित, kindly don't unmute in between, Harshit. Akshita
Okay.
Rathi.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshita Rathi. I am going to talk about Rani Lakshmibai. First, I will tell the act of her. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी थी, वो झांसी वाली रानी थी. I have learned this much act only. The speech of her is Lakshmibai, the queen of Maratha lineage.
Akshita,
Yes, ma'am.
your video is hanged, and first of all, this is a freedom fighter which you are saying.
Okay, ma'am. I have also
Yes.
prepared another speech, but the other speech I don't know the other speeches act.
Okay, चलेगा. दोनों बोलो. दोनों बोलो. Akshita, adjust your camera properly and say both.
But ma'am, I have to keep my camera off now. I don't know what happened to my camera.
Why?
Because suddenly this is happening. I don't know my camera. Why is it getting hang?
Okay, say me about your speech.
Ma'am, is Mother Teresa a hero?
Yes, Mother Teresa, Princess Diana, those are heroes only.
Okay, ma'am. So I'm going to talk about Mother Teresa. In September 2016, it was announced that Mother Teresa was being named as a saint, so she is certainly deserving of a place on the list. At the age of 12, Teresa, who was a Roman Catholic, decided that she wanted to go to India to spread the Christian message and help people. So this she did. In 1929, she traveled to India and she ended up dedicating her life to helping poor people, particularly in the Indian city of Kolkata. She described her work as God's work. While she was there, she started something called Missionaries of charity. This group now has thousands of people in almost 90 countries, helping people living poverty all over the world. In 1979, she received the Nobel Peace Prize for her work. She asked that the big dinner to mark there was cancelled and all of the money given to the poor people of Kolkata. It is said that she only had two possessions of her own, a bucket and two saris. To this day, she is remembered by how much she loved and cared for people and praised as a saint. Thank you.
Mother Teresa's any famous line, you know?
What, ma'am?
मदर टेरेसा का कोई भी फेमस लाइन पता है जो
मैं
मदर टेरेसा
बोलूं?
यूज्ड टू से?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Be faithful in small things because it is them where your strength lies. This is one of the dialogue which Mother Teresa used to use daily.
Okay.
Yes. Riya Sabu.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm Kalpana Chawla. I'm going to say some quotes about her in her life. Materials interested are not the only guiding light. The path from dreams to success does not exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get it on, and the perseverance to follow it. Do something because you really want to do it. If you are doing it just for the goal and not enjoy the part, then I think you're cheating yourself. Thank you.
Great, great, great. Your getup was also nice. Very good, Riya. Anika Lahoti.
Yes, ma'am. Can we read out?
Why you all are reading out? Why can't you act?
Ma'am, can I read out the definition?
Yes, read out in your way, na? The way you express.
What? I'm Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal is an Indian professional badminton player.
Wait. Sarika Bajaj. The boy in the name of Sarika Bajaj. Are you having any problem? मैंने आपको म्यूट किया, आपने वापस से अनम्यूट किया. Any problem in your device? Any problem in your device?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Kindly be muted. Kindly be muted. Yes, say me. Anika.
Yeah. I'm Saina Nehwal today. Saina Nehwal is an Indian professional badminton singles player, a former former world number one. She has won over 24 international titles, which includes 11 surprise titles. She reached the world's second in the 2009. It was only in 2015 that she was able to attain the world number. Thank you.
Who was Saina Nehwal? Who is Saina Nehwal?
Saina Nehwal is an Indian professional badminton singles player.
So can you act how she plays badminton?
No, ma'am.
Why? You are having the racket. I saw that.
Yeah, but I
Can
can.
you act? How do you play badminton? Just act now. How do you play badminton? Badminton कैसे खेलते हैं? Act like that. Why you are saying no? Yes. Why you all are shy? These are your family friends, your brothers and sisters only. Don't be shy. Yes, Pooja Tawani.
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja Tawani only to be unmute. Rest all others to be mute. Yes, Pooja Tawani, start. Yes, start. Switch on your camera first.
Okay, ma'am. Hi, my name is Rihan Tawani. I am 8 years old. Hi, I am a Spider-Man. I have web shooter in my hand. I will remove all your problems
with my actions. Don't fear when Spider-Man is here. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good, बच्चा. Sarika Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you acting as?
That is my Bajaj.
Huh?
I tell Subhash Chandra Bose action. सुभाष चंद्र बोस है, मैं एक क्रांतिकारी हूँ. जालियनवाला बाग हत्याकांड ने मेरे दिमाग में गहरा घाव कर दिया था. जब मुझे लगा कि
Okay. I suppose many of the kids I see, एक तो उनका hand raise नहीं है, तो उन्होंने prepare नहीं किया है. Firstly, I would like to see everyone's hand raise और आपको जो भी acting आता है वो आप कर सकते हो. I gave a very good topic actually. You could have searched the web. It is already there. आप Google पे search करोगे ना आपको immediately मिल जाएगा.
नंबर कब आएगा?
पूजा राठी. पूजा राठी.
Dina Princess. I want to talk about Dina Princess. Dina Princess was a member of the British royal family. She was the first wife of Charles Prince of Wales. The heir apparent to the British throne and was a mother of Prince William and Prince Harry. Diana's activism and glamour made her an international icon and her enduring popularity as well as unpretended public security. Thank you.
Any famous dialogue of Diana? Do you know? Princess Diana का कोई famous dialogue?
No.
A famous dialogue is, I like to be a free spirit. Some don't like that, but I like to be the way I am. This was her famous dialogue.
Okay.
Yes.
Whose famous dialogue, ma'am?
Princess Diana. Do you know who's Princess Diana? Who was Princess Diana? Divya Mundra on mute. Divya Mundra on mute. डॉक्टर वंदना तासट के नाम से कौन है? दिव्या मुंद्रा ऑन म्यूट.
वंशिका कासट.
प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा. Vanshika, please say.
मैं राजमाता जीजा की एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ। मैं राजमाता जीजा हूँ।
What happened? Dr. Vandana Kashyap.
मैं राजमाता जीजा हूँ। शिवाजी की आई। हे शिवराया, स्वराज्याची स्थापना करा. गौर जिंका हा कोंडाला घेतलाच पाहिजे. जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, हर हर महादेव. Thank you.
Very good, bacha. Very good. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very good. Durva Kabra.
टीचर, आपने बोला था कि हर्षद की चांस आएगी, वो कभी आएगी?
एकदम लास्ट में. आपको मैंने एकदम फर्स्ट में दिया ना चांस, अभी एकदम लास्ट में.
Yes, teacher.
हाँ, please say, please act about your character, what you have prepared.
My name is Durva Kabra. I am 5 years old. I am in first standard. I am Simon Nehwal, Indian national badminton player. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Okay. You don't want to say anything about Sania Nehwal? You want to say one line about Sania Nehwal? Durva Kabra?
Yes, she represented India in Olympics.
Yes, very good. Olympics. Yes. You all should know what are you acting as. मम्मा ने टॉपिक दे दिया तो आप लोगों ने बोल दिया. But always kids, always keep asking why. क्यों? 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 Your mummy will give you answers. Always keep asking why. कि ये कौन है? ये क्यों है? ये किस लिए है? Okay? The more you ask, the more you get answers. And the more you get answers, the more you know here. Right? Very good. Laksh Tosniwal. Laksh Tosniwal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Switch on your camera first.
ma'am, my name is teacher.
मैम को नहीं बोल रहे हो आप. मैम नहीं लेने का बीच में. Start your dialogue.
Yeah, I'm telling about Wonder Woman. It's a small dialogue. It's not what you deserve. It's what you believe. And there's much only to it.
Okay, okay. Geet Somani. Geet Somani. Geet Somani. Virat Jhavar.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Please say.
Hello, everyone. My name is Virat Java. I am 7 years old. My acting is on Spider-Man. With great power and great responsibility. My responsibility is to save the nature and world from enemies. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। कोई भी स्पाइडरमैन बन के दीवारों पे नहीं चढ़ रहा है? मम्मा पापा ने बोला नहीं, चिल्लाएंगे वो लोग। वेदांत काबरा, वेदांत काबरा।
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Today I am talking about Mithali Raja. Mithali Raja, he has born in she born at Rajasthan, 3 December 1918, 1920, 1982, 1982. Sorry, we has gone the 2 times at the um, World Cup panel. Over, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. I don't understand why you all are such nice kids, very good kids. Why don't you act? Why don't you act? You are just saying the speech और बाद में खत्म। ये speech थोड़ी बोलने बोला है मैंने। Yes, Palanch, say. Palash, Usha Sarda, Usha Sarda, why you can't unmute yourself? Okay, Kashvi Manudane. Kashvi Manudane,
Yes, ma'am.
are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Yes.
ready.
Please say.
I do not know acting on this, but I can tell the speech.
Okay, say.
I can do some acting only.
Okay, whatever you know, you can.
People used to throw dirt and mud on Savitri Bai. So she always kept on extra sari in her bag when she went to teach girls. Means she had a big school open for everyone. But still this happened.
Okay, very good, Kashvi. Harshit Biani.
Yes. Yes, teacher, 1 second. Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Harshit Biani. My topic is Captain America. Talk about the superhero Captain America. Captain America is the mighty soldier of America of the Army Avengers.
You have to tell dialogue.
World War II. For the World War II.
हर्षित, मैंने कैप्टन अमेरिका का डायलॉग बोला ना, डायलॉग।
Teacher, I said next.
Okay, are you done?
No, teacher. Yes, teacher. My speech is over.
Okay, Tanush Marda.
Thank you.
तनुष मर्दा, तनुष मर्दा। अच्छा, किसी भी हाँ बोलो बोलो, तनुष मर्दा बोलो।
My name is Iron Man. I have iron in my hand. I could defeat the enemies with my iron. No one can attack the world till that I am here. Thank you.
Okay. Is your brother around? Is he
Yes.
going to act? Taksh,
मैम
Taksh,
she's waiting.
your camera is off. Tanush, is Taksh going to say?
Ma'am.
Switch on your camera. I'm not able to see you.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I was also going to say about Iron Man.
You told na about Tanush told na about Iron Man.
Captain America के बारे में बोलिए. No. But then I'm not prepared.
कैप्टन अमेरिका आप उसको डायलॉग बोलेगा आप इधर से बोलो उसको
I am waiting, beta.
इसको डायलॉग इधर से बोला है ना
Okay. I am Iron Man. I have iron power. I can defeat the villains. And
Switch on your camera na. Switch on your camera, please. Adjust your camera. I can't see you properly.
and I will save the world with my power. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, you hear?
Okay. All of my kids who haven't done yet, क्या आप लोगों को कोई मूवी या कोई बॉलीवुड कैरेक्टर या किसी का एक्टिंग आता है? काइंडली रेज हैंड जिनका नहीं हुआ है. Yes, Durga Gandhi.
Ma'am, I am doing in the next class. Perfect.
Why?
I have not prepared.
Durga Gandhi. Durga Gandhi, I am not able to hear you.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Palash.
can
Okay, Palash. Palash.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes.
I am Black Panther. I can run fast as an Avenger. I can kill every monster. And my dialogue is Wakanda forever. Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, what happened, Durga Gandhi? Are you going to say? किसी को कोई मूवी की भी एक्टिंग नहीं आती, कोई भी हीरो हीरोइन की भी एक्टिंग नहीं आती यहाँ पे,
Ma'am, I know.
तो फिर कौन बोला आई नो?
Palash.
आपने बोल के बताया ना अभी पलाश.
Yes.
No, ma'am, for acting.
Ma'am,
Yes. Bolo.
Ma'am, can I do acting?
Yes. You have to do acting ही only. आप लोग पता नहीं क्यों speech ready करके speech बोल रहे हो. You have to act like your character. But you all are preparing the speech, long speech, and you are saying the speech.
Ma'am, can I do? Wakanda forever. My name is Black Panther. I can run fast like an Avenger, and I can kill all the monsters. Wakanda forever. Done, ma'am.
Very good. See, in this manner you have to act. Ikansh Rathi.
ma'am, can I sing the song?
Okay. It is related to.
It is related to ma'am is telling.
अपना टाइम आएगा.
You want to act that अपना time आएगा.
Can I say?
No. No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
अपना time आएगा. You can't say. That song is
I
not
want to.
proper.
I want to say that song.
No, that song is not proper. I won't allow you all kids to sing these kind of songs because
Okay,
here
ma'am.
we are having small kids also. What is going on, Pooja Rathi, Aarti Bajaj, in the chat box? You
Okay,
all are
ma'am.
not. You all have not prepared for the topic, but you are so much free here to chat in the chat box. Vanita Soni. Vanita Soni.
Yes, ma'am.
Act in manner whatever you like. You can act as your mom, you can act like your dad, anything. But you have to act.
Okay. Give me
Or
5
any
minutes,
movie,
ma'am.
any superhero, any damn thing. You have to act.
5 minutes, ma'am.
Huh?
Give me 5 minutes, ma'am.
No 5 minutes. We have started our class 1 hour ago. You have got 1 hour. Act now. What for you all are here today?
Good afternoon. My name is Swada Harshal Tawri. I am 6 years old. Today's my topic is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla is American astronaut. She is first woman. She is first Indian woman who goes to space. She said that जीवन में कुछ भी करो इसका बहुत आनंद होता है. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, Adya Somani. Adya Somani. आद्या सोमानी. आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है आद्या.
Ma'am, she is not responding only.
आद्या सोमानी.
Yes, ma'am, she is responding.
आद्या सोमानी, say act whatever in whatever manner you like.
Do. Do Adya Suman. Ma'am, I think she is not hear us.
Will you be quiet? I am able to hear her. Will you be quiet, Palash?
करती ना.
Adya, your voice is very much low. I'm actually putting my headset near my ears and hearing, but your voice is very much low.
I will check
Yes,
about
now
my
it has come proper. Now it has come proper.
Thank you. So, Saina Nehwal is a very good champion in India. She wins on every badminton and she is very good at badminton to play. Thank you.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, okay, very good. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What?
Ma'am, can I do the acting of Messi in the next class?
नेक्स्ट क्लास में तो दूसरा टॉपिक होगा, ये तो क्लास में करना है तो कर लो.
करना है तो कर लो.
पल्लवी हुरगट.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, kindly act on what topic you are having.
Hello, hi. My name is Hardik Mayur from Murwar. मैं किरण बेदी का डायलॉग बोल रहा हूँ, फेमस डायलॉग बोल रहा हूँ. Inner voice tell us what right and what is not right. So listen our inner voice. Thank you.
वेरी गुड बच्चा. रूपाली तोशनीवाल. रूपाली तोशनीवाल. Rupali Toshniwal, kindly unmute and act on what topic you have done.
महात्मा गांधी.
हाँ, महात्मा गांधी के जैसे एक्टिंग करके बताओ.
महात्मा गांधी is freedom fighter.
यस, उनकी एक्टिंग करके बताओ.
Okay, ma'am. I am Superman. I am studying second class. I am 6 years old. I help needy people. Thank you.
Was this Mahatma Gandhi, बच्चा?
Good morning, Miss.
It is good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes.
Okay.
हाँ, kindly switch on your camera. Kindly switch on your camera, Surbhi Birla.
Okay.
Surbhi Birla, are you there? Devang,
I am
Devang
on the
Mandawla.
camera.
Yes, आपने एक्टिंग के लिए रेडी किया? अब क्या एक्टिंग करके बताने वाले हो?
आप सिखा दो ना, मुझे नहीं आता है।
क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? मम्मा कैसे बोलती है आपको? मम्मा के जैसे एक्ट करके बताओ। मम्मा क्या बोलती है आपको?
कितने दिन?
कैमरा
मम्मा नहीं
प्रॉपरली
सिखा
करो ना,
रही।
कैमरा नहीं दिख रहा मुझे। हाँ, मम्मा क्या कैसे बोलती है आपको, वैसे एक्टिंग करो। चिंता मत करो, मम्मा कुछ नहीं बोलेगी।
मम्मा ने एक्टिंग ही नहीं सिखाई है।
अरे मम्मा आपको कैसे बुलाती है, खाना खाने को कैसे बोलती है, कैसे बात करती है मम्मा आपसे, वैसी मम्मा की एक्टिंग करो।
अरे बात नहीं करते खाना खाने के पहले।
My kids are very much shy here. I am saying them to act, they are not ready to act.
No.
Okay, are all of you done?
गांधी जी बोलो।
Yes, ma'am.
गांधी जी की एक्टिंग करनी है, गांधी जी को बोलना नहीं है, बोलना नहीं है, एक्टिंग करनी है। बोलना कुछ नहीं है, एक्चुअली हमको स्पीच थोड़ी बोलनी थी, हमको उनके बारे में कोई भी एक चीज एक्ट करनी है। Usha Sada, I don't want anything to be written in the chat box.
मेरे पास 2 डाउट है।
सुरभि बिरला, आप बोल रहे हो क्या बच्चा? अक्षिता, प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट।
बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत बोलो और बुरा मत बोलो।
बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत बोलो और बुरा मत सुनो, लेकिन यहाँ क्लास में बहुत बोलो। आज जब आप लोगों को बोलने का चांस मिला ना, तो कोई नहीं बोल रहा है, और जब एक्टिविटी सेशन रहता है ना, तब सब लोग मैम 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 करते हैं, और आज मैंने बोलने का सेशन रखा तो कोई आगे आके बोल नहीं रहा है।
बोल रहा था।
मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा।
ओके, okay everyone, we will see you, we will meet tomorrow. I will see you all tomorrow with some other activity. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Newspaper.
एक minute, Akshita, what are you saying? Everyone to be on mute, everyone to be on mute.
Ma'am, tomorrow is newspaper activity, right?
Right.
So, in that newspaper activity, do we need the whole newspaper only, which has different papers, or do we just need a paper of that newspaper?
I will say you, अभी तो पूरा न्यूज़पेपर अपने पास रखना, मैं बताऊंगी कैसा चाहिए।
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Which
Bye.
activity,
everyone.
ma'am?
Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.
Which activity,
Bye. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am?
Bye.
Which activity?
कट कर दे रही
Bye.
हूँ।